Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. You have been doing a fabulous job of this. Awesome job, teachers. Also, the already reading and math windows are open this week. See the testing calendar that Ms. Biggelberg sent for you for your specific date and time. Also, as your students are taking these assessments, you should be circulating the room, attending to your students. This should be a secure testing environment with students seated, quiet, and focused. I, Ms. Gibbs, was lucky enough to get to test yesterday with Miss Arch's class, and I have to give them a big fat shout out because they did an awesome job testing. They came in, they got to work, they were not bothering their neighbors, they were quiet, they worked hard, and oh, you should have seen that scratch paper. They had math work all over their scratch paper. They were doing an awesome job and working super hard. So great job to Miss Arch's class, and I know the other classes are doing that as well. So check that schedule specifically for your days and times. Also, PE, please help out the PE teachers. Make sure that your students are allowed to use the restroom prior to going to PE. The PE teachers greatly appreciate you helping with that. Couple more things. 2nd through 5th grade teachers, please plan to meet on Wednesday during your planning time for ACAP data meetings in Miss Mullins' room. If you are not sure what you need or what you need to bring with you, let Miss Mullen know and she'll be happy to help. Also, safety surveys were placed in your box on Friday. I believe they're on a lovely lavender sheet of paper. Please take a moment to complete this survey to assist us with our safety planning. Also, turn completed forms into Miss Horton by Wednesday. So you got one more day, but please, if you have it ready, go ahead and send it on up. Late duty Monday was Miss Reynolds. Today is Miss Barnes. Wednesday is Miss Waller. Thursday is Miss Moeller. And Friday is Miss Shepherd. Some important dates coming up. August 29th through September 2nd, we have our iReady Diagnostic 1. That's this week. We are doing our iReady Diagnostics for both reading and math. September 2nd, which is Friday, I am very much looking forward to, is College Shirt Day. So that invites everyone to wear your Auburn shirt on Friday with your uniform pants. Probably if you go for another team, you should probably just wear your blue shirt. But Auburn shirts, we can't wait to see those on Friday. September 5th is Labor Day, no school. September 6th is the Title I meeting for parents at 9 a.m. I believe we're going to hold that in the gym or the cafeteria. We'll let you know. September 9th is Grandparents' Day lunch. Super excited about that. And Kona Ice. September 9th is Phonics First deadline. September 14th is the Kids deadline. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th is the end of the first quarter. And October 10th, No School Teacher Work Day. Here is that iReady Diagnostic Schedule. Looks like today on tap we have our 3rd grade classes. And also, I know that Miss Moore and Miss Bolton took it yesterday afternoon. So I guess looks like Miss Tompkins and Miss Langford will probably be taking it this afternoon. So check your schedule. That'll let you know what time and where and when. Also, shout out to Miss Spiegelberg, Miss Mullen, and Miss Gibbs. This is from Miss Lee. Shout out for helping the kindergarten friends take their iReady tests. It was quite an adventure, but they did a great job, and I will speak for Miss Mullen and Miss Spiegelberg, and we were happy to help our kindergarten and 1st grade friends as they got started on their iReady adventure for the year. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Shepherd Scholars.